myself before you. Loneliness was all I felt. Didn't wanna fall in love no more. Baby, what's your stance on a man unable to afford the perfect ring for the woman?
The ring, the value of a ring, that means nothing if you don't make it valuable. You see me? You have to give it meaning, cherish it, you see me? Uphold what it stand for. A ring can value $1 million, but yet the man still give a bun down. That don't make no sense. The man cherish it there because him love you. Him buy one can't afford. Zine, but yet him willing to cherish and uphold what I mean. Be faithful, be loyal, love and trust him woman. Take care of him woman, you see me? The value of ring don't mean much to me, but you have to hold up what I mean. If you don't hold up what I mean, it don't make no sense.
So you're saying the cost for the ring doesn't make sense if one doesn't uphold the
exactly
the symbolism of a ring.
Exactly.
So you said you could basically get married with like a copper ring, and
give me a piece of damn rope. Once I love the woman, we make a rope valuable.
Right.
I'll wear the fucking rope with pride.
Personally, as we've had this discussion already about values of a ring, and as a woman on my standpoint, while I agree with my boyfriend, I believe that the value of a ring is important to me, because I feel like if you're not able to buy the ring that you think the woman is deserving of, then you're not ready to propose. I feel like a proposal is something that one should be saving for a while for. You know, I don't say buy the most expensive ring. I always just say buy a ring that's going to stand the test of time, that will sustain everything, that will sustain years. You know, I always say I don't want a ring that every 2 years I have to change it.
That's the thing. You can't plan a proposal.
Good morning.
Proposal and that's something where you plan for. To me do it off my mood. You see me? Depends on the mood
and how you're feeling.
Yeah, you do it. Probably me say, you know, especially if I come up and a surprise babe and propose to her. It's a boom. So I want 40 grand, run go buy a ring. I'm not plan for it. Is them thing that when you not plan for stuff, you make it more meaningful. Is the element of surprise in it. Because if me a plan for something, she go know. Or if your partner plan for something, you are gonna know. Because you go notice. Look at something off key. Once you're observant. She tried to surprise me one time, and if I have like 2 more hours, I figure it out. Is it me? Because yeah, you can figure out stuff when them a plan, but if you just get up and do it, more meaningful.
So and the spontaneity of a proposal is more meaningful to you than planning it?
Yeah.
So wouldn't you say you plan to propose to a woman based on the fact that you might feel good in the moment, like, hey, you know, so this is one girl, let me take me could marry. But I think personally that a man, you sit down and you study the woman.
You're supposed to know if you want to marry her.
Yeah, but I think men usually what they do is sit down and study the woman, like, you know, things what them do. You know, likewise for me, like I study a man, the things that he does, you know, and all that stuff, and then I decide whether or not this is a man I want to marry. You know, I don't think that just make up based on the mood that I'm in right now. Be like, oh, let me accept his proposal. No, I think about the overall thing. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, do you have anything else to say I asked this question on Instagram, and 75% of people said the value of the ring is very important, and the other 2 people say it wasn't important and they can have a rope, to be honest. But as Courtney said, he made some valuable points that the value of the ring don't even make sense if y'all aren't withholding or upholding the standard of what the ring means. On my part, I think that a man should try their best to buy a ring of quality, because to me that symbolizes what you feel about the woman, you know, and that's just where we stand there. But hey, thank you guys for watching this mini video on our discussion. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Majestic love, sis. Peace.